Hey guys, welcome back to the fish tank. I am Cole. So for today, we have an announcement, a giveaway announcement. And I'm finally giving away my entry from the Maple Leaf Matchbox Makeovers 1 year, 1K build-off invitational. So the rules were simple for Andrew's build-off. 1, you had to build a Porsche of any kind of style, and 2, you have to give it away. So that's what I'm doing today. I am announcing that I'm giving this car away. All I want you guys to do is comment down below and you are entered. You're in. And next week, we'll put all the comments into a comment generator and whoever wins, wins. So guys, good luck. I wish you all the best of luck and I hope you're excited because I am, and I'm ready to give this car away. Whoever's going to win this car is going to have a cool piece for their collection and I'm excited. So make sure to comment down below. And we will see you next week. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Guys, I got a new builder update for you. His name is Mike, and he just started a new YouTube page called Mike's Mods and Customs. I want you to make sure you go check him out because he has a lot of cool content and he's a really nice guy. I've been friends with him on Instagram for a little bit now, and he just had time to make a new YouTube channel, so go check him out. The link will be in the description below, and make sure you tell him Cuda sent you.
Hey guys, just as a reminder, if you're in the Massachusetts area and you're a hobbyist, make sure to go check out our good friend Mike Gordon and Kim Miller over at Turn 4 Hobbytown. We make your free time awesome.